Yo, Wincrease team, what's going on? It is November 27th, 2020. I hope everybody had a wonderful Thanksgiving with their family. Hope everyone enjoyed it safely. And now, I came back to the market. Remember, it closed early today, so we get to wrap things up early today. So let's hop right into it. We're looking straight at the S&P right now, where last week we've been tracking this for at least about 2 months now. Last week I was looking for it to continue to make a move higher, and it did just that, and it's closed towards its highs. We're at 36, 38, 35, with the high being 36, 45, 99. So I'm looking for this to push higher. Last week I had put a price target for it to get around 3,800, so that's where I'm looking for it to make a move to next. I still have an ultimate price target of around 4,000 before end of the year, so let's see how far we'll make it. All right, so let's go ahead and look at how the Russell is looking. So that's the RUT. Sorry, we've been tracking IWM, which is the same exact thing. IWM. Remember last week I was also looking for this to continue to move higher, and it's doing just that. So the high is 185.44 made this week. So congratulations to anybody who's been playing this along with us. 185.44. I'm looking for this to keep going higher with a price target of around 190. So Russell should continue to lead the market higher, and everything else will follow. So that's it. Like I said, any other time, this is as best as I can tell you. Remember, if you like what you hear, if you're making money, make sure that you hit that like. Make sure you hit subscribe, and we'll continue to do this every single week. Remember to catch my boys Cam and Kenny on Marathon Money Podcast. That's every single Sunday morning. And don't forget to tune into my podcast, which is coming out soon. I'm looking to release that next month. And any questions that you may have, also hit up wincrease20@gmail.com. You can follow me on any social media at WincreaseTeam. All right, I'm about to chill, hang out with my family, do all the nice necessary things, clean up, and eat some leftovers. So we'll check you later. All right, peace.